Hi guys, I want to tell a little about the M111 engine with a volume of 2 liters. Here 136 horsepower. It seems too small to many and they spend money to chipping it and purchasing a turbine and compressor. But the best option would be to replace the motor with a large one. Friends, for the whole time of exploitation nothing was done on it. The oil filter and candles were changed. 2 coils for 4 cylinders, wires and the candles themselves cost a penny. The chain runs 250,000. All the downsides, friends, of all the time, the cylinder head gasket was replaced, and that was my fault. The radiator leaked liquid, the motor overheated as a result, of which the gasket broken. The engine is very reliable and economical. Fuel consumption 10-11 liters city, highway less. Oil needs to be added 4 liters. If compared with a 2.4 engine, where 8 liters are needed, it turns out cheaper. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like.